Hi friends, welcome to Wayfinder channel. Today I will share you concept of new combination of vowel digraph IE. In previous phonics series, we have seen the concept of AI and EE vowel combination. If you want to clear that concept, then you can visit to our previous parts. Link is provided in I button. Now let's revise words of AI and EE. Gale, snail, mail, nail, rain, train, brain, grain, paint, bee, sea, flea, tree, free, green, queen, wheel. If you are facing problems to read these words, so I request you to watch my previous video in which I have explained this all concept. Link is provided in I button as well as in description box. Rules for reading vowel digraphs. When two vowels comes together, it makes long sound. That time only first letter pronounced by its name, not by its sound, and second letter remains quiet. For example, I. Here I and E, these two vowels comes together, it make a long sound I. That time only first I pronounced by its name I, not by its sound E, and second E remains quiet. Let's see the story of I. The name of the story is Tim's Play. Here, Tim is a boy. He likes stories, but he does not know how to read. He went towards his mother, but mother brings pie for him to eat. Tim tells mother to read the Pied Piper story from the book. I will play the magic pipe just like the Pied Piper, says the Tim. That style will be my magic pipe. I am the Pied Piper and my pipe goes I. Now let's sing rhyme of I-E.
This is the way the piper went, the piper went, the piper went. This is the way the piper went, I.
Now here is action of I-E. Stamping feet and walking, pretending to play a pipe. I. Green words follows the symphonic sounds. Teeth sound is T. Its sound is I. Die. I, pie. Tricky words. Tricky words don't follow the symphonic sound. F-E-L-L, fell. A-L-L, all. G-A-V-E, gave. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Let's read the passage. Dad had a tie. He kept the tie on the bag. Mum gave him an apple pie. The pie fell on bag. The tie is all in the pie. Here I have listed out words of I-E. Let's read it. First word is teeth sound is t. I-E sound is I. I, tie. Second word is I, pie. Third word is I, lie. Fourth word is I, cried. And fifth word is I, tried. I think all of you are clear with concept of I-E. So let's solve exercise for I-E. Let's read instructions first. Read and tick the correct spelling of words with the I-E sound. So let's start with first sentence. I have a green tie. So which word makes correct sound? T-I-E or T-A-I? And all of you knows that I-E comes together, that time they make sound I and I makes sound A. So we will go for first word, which is T-I-E, tie. Let's read second sentence. Do you like a sweet pie? So which word makes correct sound? P-I-E or P-Y-E? So we will again go for first word, which is P-I-E, pie. Let's go for third word. Let's read third word. Mother tells not to lie. Which word makes correct sound? L-I-E or L-E-I? We will again go for first word, which is L-I-E, lie. Let's go for fourth sentence. The baby cries with hunger. So which word makes correct sound? C-R-I-E-S or C-R-A-I-S? We will again go for first word, which is C-R-I-E-S, cries. In next video, which is digraph part 4, we will meet with new vowel combination of O-A. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you will not miss my any new video notification. Bye bye.